Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trendy Techs. Today we show how to clear search history on your YouTube account recommendation, and then how to clear activity on your YouTube account. This is the main screen once you log into your account. So you see YouTube, and then you see bunch of recommendation video here. So these are all based on your search history and then based on your interest. uh, YouTube saves all the cookies, and then so based on this, so your search video recommendation will be shown. And then so there is a search bar here, so just go and then see how to draw. And then this is based on your interest, it just pops up few videos, and so you can select any video and play. And so whatever you search here, I, the SEO happens based on your uh, interest and then based on your previous activity. So how to draw for kids and all these things. So today we show how to disable this YouTube saving the search history and then display recommendation based on your search activity. On the screen on the left side there are bunch of options here. So just there is an option history, just click on that, and then on the right of your screen you see several options like watch history, search history, and then comments and community, live chat. So these are all uh, the saved data for your account. So you can see what is the search for the particular account and then all these things. And in the similar way it also lists all the history. So currently there is no history here, so because history has been cleared. And then on the bottom you see three options. One is clear or watch history, pause watch history, and manage all account. uh, if you click on clear watch history, so whatever is listed here will be deleted. And then the other option is if you don't want YouTube to save all the search data which you for your account, so just click on pause watch history, and then if once you say pause, so you all the data which you enter here will not be saved. And then all the data which you see here is based on the Google keywords and all these things. So how to make cake and then all these things. You can also enable or disable with the same activity. And then so there is other option for manage your activity. These are the data which is saved for your account, YouTube account, which you log in. And you can see there are two options here. One is bundle view and item view, and then there are other bunch of options like delete by activity. Once you click on that, so it just pops up options where you can just select last hour, what is last day, and then all the time and all these things. And then other Google activities on your account, so just go here, and then there are bunch of options here. So right now we will stick to how to clear history. And so here, so once you clear all the history and you go to home, whatever the video recommendation which is shown here, so there is no previous data which is saved here. And then the video are based on the popular recommendation for YouTube. So you can check here the videos are completely new, and then so this is not based on your search history. Okay friends, so today we showed how to clear YouTube history from your YouTube account. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon.